morning everyone, it's Rachel here and we are back with a new prompt and a new season. So we're up to autumn. Can you believe that already? We've done spring and summer and it's autumn, and so the first prompt is autumn tones, earthy reds, fiery oranges, rust, deep burgundies. These are the colors for our inspiration. We are not giving anything else, so you can interpret it the way you want to. Now, I am not going to get anything done in this video today because I have lost my piece, my next strip that I need to attach. It's lost. I tied it up with Juanette and Veronica coming here, and I cannot for the life of me find it. So I have been going mad. I've lost all of my oomph and trying to find it, and so yep, I don't just now have all my desire to do anything has gone, so with frustration. So I just I'm going to talk to you a little bit though. So here what I've done is I'm going to come in with some light, very pale blue. I've just done little seed stitches in a few colors. I used I'm also in a mess because I was trying to find the strip. Where's that wool gone? Oh my gosh, now I've lost my wool. Oh, here it is. I used this wool that I bought in Milan. Very nice. And I used a shade, a darker shade, not this one, a darker shade of this wool that I also bought in Milan. And I believe it's by an Italian company. So, yeah. So that's what I used to do that. Just two shades fairly close together. And now I'm going to come in with a lighter one. And I need to do the second tone in that one, which was this wool here, and also the lighter tone. I still need to do some embroidery on these. I've drawn my beetle. I'm going to embroider my beetle on there, and then I was going to put my new prompt here with my fabric. So then I thought, oh well, maybe I should but I really wanted to attach my new strip, so that's why I'm not going to go ahead and do anything today, because I did think, because I don't want to lose my field notey sort of feel about it. So I thought, well, I could add a piece of script linen, maybe just a little piece sort of thing, and go on with that. But then I pulled out this Italian emblems here. No, this is a background page from the Italian ladies, I think, and I thought I could put that in for my earthy tones and then decide what to put on top. And then I thought, in this, over this darker bit here, I thought I might add that, and I really do quite like that sort of look there. So I'm considering doing that, but I do want to search for my other one. That's why I'm not going to go ahead, because I want to search for my other one. And I know I have this stamp here. It doesn't matter, I can have it again. I wanted to see if I could find my other one and see if I prefer that. But I could possibly put this, but we'll work on it next week. And then I was trying to decide for my earthy tone, what do I want to do? And I thought, I love, well, I don't like eating them, but I have a Yoko Saito book. She's an incredible quilt maker, and I have a lot of her books, but I never make anything from them. I just like them, as you do. And now I've lost my scissors. This is really just not a good day. It's just not happening for me. I had scissors. I fussy cut something out before. I cut this bird out, but I'm not going to use that. Oh, this is just the pits. So I can't fussy cut. I thought I could put, I don't even know what this flower is. Oh, verbena. I could look that up when they come out, but isn't that a nice color on there? Like, you won't have that, and you won't have bits down there, because we're going to continue on with our, you know, fabrics around the edge sort of thing. But oh, where have the scissors gone now? So anyway, you can hardly imagine that now because it's not cut. I don't think these will fussy cut. But then I thought, I also pulled out this. This has got a crease in it, but then I thought I could also have something behind, but I do really like this. I sort of got my heart set on this now. I don't have any scissors. I've taken them somewhere with me while I'm looking, and they have now disappeared. So just a minute, I'll answer the door and see if I can find my word, guys. You know, Amazon is really ridiculous. So I bought a cutting mat, and a bigger one. I wanted a big one so I could cut my fabrics easier. And I only need it for my meterage of fabrics. Anyway, that did not work very well, did it? And it's not that big. It's like, how big was it? 90 by 120 or something centimeters. So the box, they just send things in the most ridiculous boxes. So the box is taller than me, way taller than me. It's taller than Steffi, and super wide. Like I could hardly even carry it, so I couldn't do that. I won't do that. Oh, you might use that in the future. So I could use this, and then I was thinking, you know, I could do something like this, but then I want to show you something else, because these are just my thoughts. Always on my first video, I'm always just playing around with ideas. I'm kind of sad to cut the little field notey bit off, but I could maybe cut that out and attach it. I'm just sort of, so even though these flowers aren't particularly necessarily autumn, the colours are in tone with the prompt. So that's what you could, or how you could also interpret it. You could also go, you know, very literal and do something that's very autonomous, like leaves turning, which is another thought that I'm thinking about, I am considering. So, but I kind of wanted to do the field notey look. So let's just see. I like this one because it's got the neutral sort of background. But we do have a lot of flowers. And I kind of, oh, I need that. If I were to put it on here, I do really like that. I also found, I'm not going to put another butterfly because there are butterflies everywhere. I did find this butterfly is very autumnal, even that one in the colours. I thought this bird was as well. But it's just the colours, because I have no idea what these things are or when they're coming out. But then I did go into my Edith Holden, so I need to go, in our case, in Edith Holden, you'll need to look at September, even though you're in the Southern Hemisphere and it's opposite. So that's August, September. So these sorts of colours, I love that. Are they thistles? No, I don't know what they are. Oh, it's more about the bird. We could have a prompt. September. Bacca di Ginepro. Oh, I don't know how to say that in English. See, that's something that I had an image with berries on, and I don't know where I've put it. I pulled it out, but I can't find it. There you go. I was thinking chestnuts. Chestnuts could be really good. So, that's why I want to find my thing. I am considering chestnuts. And I was saying I do have a Yoko Saito book somewhere. And I had started this bag from my mother-in-law and I never finished it. But it had chestnuts on it. Turned applique chestnuts. So I'm going to have a think about this. This could be something that I would like to do. What else? Oh, there you go. See, I had red berries like that. If I can find those, I might put those on. Oh, now that's October. Frutti di Rosa di Siepi. See, mine's in Italian because I gave my other one to Mum. So there's a bevy of things here. September, October. Doesn't really matter. October. Acorns. Oh, hazelnuts. Acorns. I don't know. More berries. Of course, you can have berries galore. Oh, sambuca. Those flower. My mother-in-law fries the sambuca flowers. They're amazing. They are so good. Doesn't taste like sambuca, the alcohol. And then there's mushrooms, or, you know, that might be coming up. So anyway, chestnuts. I could do chestnuts. That's a thought. I might look in my Nature Samplers by Trish Burr as well. And that brings me to, I can't find my other Segalain book. I'm very concerned that I might have lent it to, so Segalain, Schweitzer, I don't know. She's from Northern Europe. She's amazing. And she came to the Sydney Quilt Show, and Mum and I had a chat to her. She's one of our most favourite. She's probably is, besides Fleur and Beck, of course, and my mum and my sister, she's one of my all-time favourite stitches. I'm considering doing a variety of leaves in earthy tones like what she's done. That's another consideration. There was a page. I also like these kind of things in these earthy sort of tones, these sorts of things. So I've got a lot of things flying around in my head, and because I can't find my piece, I'm just totally confused. And so she uses wool a lot. So I was considering these in a birdie like that. I'm still thinking about it. And I will have to make up my mind in the next video, and I might go and deal with that ridiculous big box in a minute. Like even just if you did flowers in the earthy tones, like just whatever you want to do really. You just got to stick with the prompt, but you know, you can interpret the prompt within the colors that we've given. It doesn't have to be all the colors, it could be some of the colors. Oh, I like that. What about an autumnal sort of tree like that? There's a thought. I like that. See, look at these. Just things like that. Something like that could even be cool. So that's what I'm thinking. I even feel, I mean, that's probably not, but I feel like those colors are reminding me of autumn. Yeah. Okay, so there you go. There's my thoughts on it. I am very, very distressed. Can't find my thing. I will hopefully find it. This is not what I'm doing. I might keep that. I might not. Well, I would definitely have that on it because it gives it a bit more of a field notey sort of look. And then the borders are going to go. That's going to be covered up. So I'm not worried about that being, because it's quite dark next to the summer here. So I do have an owl here, which are also, owls kind of remind me a bit, even though they're around all year, they remind me a bit of autumn and winter. So it's nice to have an owl there. I've got a lot to do, guys. I tried to get some done the other day and I only got a tiny bit done. It's, you know, time is just not my friend. Anyway, I'm going to try and catch up on stuff. So that is it, guys. Let's remember autumn tones, earthy reds, fiery oranges, rust, and deep burgundies. That is your prompt. Can't wait to see what you come up with. I'm sorry I'm not doing anything. I really need to find my strip and see if I want to. I think I'll probably want to go with that, but I do like that. And have a great day, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.